Iki, you fellas call us plastic Māoris. Get back. Hey, that's the first impression. It's like, okay. Our aunties have always said to us, if you want to get back to them, you do it on stage. But remember who you are. Anyway, so get back to this point. I'm sitting around at dinner and Trev's at Ohinamutu. It's like, right, here's an idea. They're calling us crybabies, the same, we're all plastic.
We wanted to express how we in Rotorua often get criticised for being plastic Maori, doing these concerts for tourists.
Maybe because at that time our men were quite muscular, because they were all policemen. So, it was all this hariari kōrero, you know, it was, I think, a harawene kōrero, really. So here's the kaupapa. Let's bring in our mentors of yesterday. And in Māwai, you'd hear the names of Rangitiaria, Tiheirangi, Neni Kato, Hinei Tūrama, Kiri Mātau. And it was really reminding all the people out there that, okay, you may say we are a plastic Māori, but we can't help it if this is the place that Ngā Manuhiri, haramai Ngā Manuhiri. We are renowned to be the Manaaki tangata. So, and in saying that, with the manuhiri that come in, actually taught our guides, our queers, the right pronunciation, you know, te reo Pākehā. So, okay, how are we going to do this? And this is where the poi, you know, started laying out, you know, the pukena of each of the mentors that were sung about, were, you know, we showed off a little bit.
Even the boys, we, what way could we complement the girls doing the poi? So we worked on moves to it, but each time we looked at the girls, I for one, okay, I was the guitarist for 83, but by 1996, I was further down the order in priority from the boys, and they added lovely touches to it too. We did note that Aotearoa and the girls worked very hard on intricacy. Not just to do a poem, not just to have a beautiful song or a theme, but they worked hard on intricacy.
Some was, because, you know, the beginning of our poi is at what we called the hoiti-toiti walk. It's like, okay. Te tere hoki o te arero Māori ki te hahane. Tata. That'll brown anybody or whai. Like, yeah, well, they're right. So how can anyone that'd be watching this poi go, I don't like this poi because that's how we draw you in, you know. I can draw you in. But with this poi, it was like, oh, well, here we go, nannies.
We were proud of our girls, and like I said, seeing the name on the trophy a few times. We've had our name on the other trophies, of course, but proudly seeing the girls on there many times made us sort of feel so proud of them.
Oh, it made me feel wonderful, proud. Not in a whakahihi way, but in a whakauhihi way. Does that make sense? Of course it does. I tangi au ki taku mahara ki a rātou mā e poi ana ki a mātou pāna ki ngā pūkena mo te poi. There was a purpose in why we had done that poi, because of a comment that was not very nice. And yet we could have just gone, let them say what they like.